Find the value of x. Here we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we have the 9, which is the longer leg, and we don't have the shorter leg, square root of x. But we do know the ratio of the long leg to the short leg is square root of 3 to 1. So we could just say that's the same as 9 to x here. Then to figure out what x or the short leg is, you just cross multiply. So x times square root 3 is x square root 3 equals 1 times 9, which is 9. And there are two different ways to solve this. I'll show you both. First way is you can divide both sides by square root of 3. So x equals 9 divided by square root 3. And we're not supposed to leave a radical in the denominator of the answer, so we're going to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize means make it into a rational number. So we're making the denominator into a rational number by multiplying by square root 3 over square root 3. So x equals 9 times square root 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3, which is square root of 9. So it's x equals 9 square root 3 divided by 3. And the 9 and 3 simplify, and you get 3 square root of 3, or 3 times the square root of 3. So that's one way to deal with solving that equation. Here's the other way. X square root 3 equals 9. This time I'm going to multiply by square root 3. So I'm going to say x square root 3 times another square root 3 equals 9 times square root 3. And so square root 3 times square root 3 makes square root 9, or simply 3. So it's going to be x times 3 equals 9 square root 3. And then divide both sides by 3. And we're going to get x equals 3 square root 3, because the 9 and the 3 simplify down to just 3. Okay, so those are two different ways to calculate. Okay, so in a 30, 60, 90, if the long leg is 9, the short leg is 3 square root 3. And just to give you an idea on the length, let's go to the calculator. 3 times square root 3 is about 5.2. So if this guy is 9 right here across the 60-degree angle, opposite from the 30-degree angle is about 5.2. But 3 times square root 3 is the exact length.